Shesha. Hi guys, in this video we are going to do forensic investigation on Instagram. Now you might have an question like how you can do investigation on Instagram and how you can do it and work around with investigation related to Instagram. So since it is an online cloud platform and a social media, and it's a known social media platform, so most people already use Instagram. So to do that we have a tool called OSINTGRAM. Okay, OSINTGRAM. So first thing is you need to type in git space clone space and the github repository. Now again, the repository link I'll provide in the description or with the resources. So you just have to clone the repository and all the files inside the repository will automatically be downloaded on your system. So you need to do that, and the important part over here is you need to have two requirements in your system. You can do this on any Linux system or even on Mac as well, but just make sure two environment variables are already installed. So you need to make sure that you have installed Python 3, at least 3.6, Python 3.6 or higher, and you need to install pip 3 as well. So pip 3 is used to install all the tools. So let's just type in the name of the repository. So I'll just type in git space clone space https //github.com/ and then the tool name is OSINTGRAM, and the user who has uploaded the tool is data lux lux. So we'll just type in the tool name .git. So this command will basically copy or download everything from that GitHub repository and download it locally. And since being a Python 3 script, we need to install Python 3. So you need to make sure that that is installed, but don't worry, in case if you have not installed, the command to install Python 3 is sudo apt install python 3 and then add in the password of your machine. This will basically install it. In case it is already installed, you can see that in my case it was already installed, the newest version 3.13, and the next command that you have to install is sudo apt install pip 3. So we already have Python 3, we need pip 3 for installation of other tools. So I'll just type in pip 3 after Python 3 -pip. Now this will basically install pip 3 or pip. Pip is basically used to install packages. Now since we have already installed everything, you can just type in you can just go to pwd, that is present working directory, and you'll notice that inside the Kali folder there is a folder called OSINTGRAM. So OSINTGRAM. Now there is a folder called config, inside which you have to add in a random copy of Instagram's username and password. Now don't worry, it is a genuine tool and it won't do much mess, but what I would suggest you is to create a new Instagram ID and you can just add in the ID and password. And to be honest, for the first run it will also give you a notification that a random machine is trying to log in from your provided username and password. So you need to make and add the details over here. So let me just quickly add it, and then you can go to file and save. The file name is credentials.ini. So I'll just insert my username quickly. One more thing that you can do is you can just type in make space setup and then add in the username and password. It will also do the same thing, that is add your username and password in the credential.ini file. Now I suggest you to create a new account, otherwise you will be in problem. So I personally suggest you to create a new Instagram account for this tool. Now let's understand what this kind of tool can do. First of all, you have to set a user whom you want to perform the forensic investigation. So let's say there is a random user. So there is a command which will help you to get all the registered targets photo, then users photos caption. You can also see the comments and targets followers. You can also see who followed and who the target is following, and then the phone number of all the followers, And then again, so in forensic investigation it will be really helpful if you get a phone number of all the users, victims, followers, and then you can match in. If you have a case wherein you have random suspects number and you can match it and you can find that who it was, it is really great tool. So then we have phone number of the target's followers, target's info as well, what kind of pictures he has liked, then media type, like let's see photos and videos. You can have a lot of things. You can also download it in the output folder and download profile pictures and stories posted by it. So it's a great tool. It's a tool for OSINT technology. By the way, if you like the video, I really highly recommend you to scan the QR code and join our WhatsApp group right away.